Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, we are not going to do a Lego on this video, but this time I'm going to introduce you to Scratch. It's like a coding platform. You make games or apps out of it. Not exactly apps, but you make some things out of it. And I made this game, which is very cool, and I would love to show this to you. And I would also show you the code, how it works. So first I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to play this, and so you can see the sign up here: avoid the patrolling enemies. The red is always sus. So the red one we have to not touch. Welcome, can you get the treasure? Okay, so you heard that voice. I don't know if you heard it, but when you touch a coin, it makes a voice like that. It makes a voice, and you can't go through these balls, and like that you get the voice, get all these coins. Do you know that you can go through orange and yellow rows? Okay, so I'm going to the yellow door, and the pink person told that we can go through orange and yellow doors. So if I go to yellow door, then it'll go back here. And then over here also it says avoid the patrolling enemies. And it's not necessary to get all the coins, but I just want to if you want to get all the coins you can. So what it says here, you need a blue key to open this door. Okay, so we'll go and get the blue key, and so I touch the blue key. Now to open the door, and let me go in, and then so I went in now, and now it's gonna say well done. And I forgot to show you what happens when you touch the enemy, like this red guy. What happens? It laughs, and then it says gotcha, like that. Now I'll go through the codes. So what is over here is I took the player, and it says when play button clicked, like when this button clicks, set room to 1. So this is room number 1, and go to the starting position, which is exactly like when I play this is the starting position. You see it got teleported here, so it takes it to this position, and switch backdrop to room number 1. So this is just a backdrop. I mean, like, this dark gray thing and the wall is a backdrop, and then after that is forever. When up arrow key press, then it's basically just moving. And then so this is the wall thing. So whenever you touch the wall, you can't pass through it. So this, if touching color gray, then change y by -2. And then also you copied some others, and instead that put like left arrow and change x by -2 and all of that. So exactly, on the top if you goes y, and the down, no, and the side, like the top and bottom is y. I mean, if I go up and down, that is y. If I go left and right, that is x. Okay, so then if touching color orange, then so I'm just trying to cheat and getting this guy over here. So if I touch the color orange, then it'll go to switch to next backdrop and go to the same position as I told over here, the starting point, and change room by 1. So also I have a variable called room. I just want to show it to you. So I got room and coins, and I literally have just 1 coin right now. Wow. And then down you can see touching color yellow. Then so like if I touch the yellow color, oh yeah, I got caught. Okay, so if I touch the yellow color, then I would I would actually go back like this. So just like that, switch backdrop to previous backdrop, and go to the same position and change room by -1. Okay, so it's like that. And then next I would like to show you the sign. So it just it says like when the room is equal to 1, then show, like, see, this sign, it shows, this enemy sign just shows that if room equal to 2, and actually the room is 2 right now. Look at the room. So now the room is 2, so that's why they so when the room is 2, then only this thing will show. It's variables are a very useful piece, and then it will show, like, it will show itself. Otherwise, if else, it will hide. So it's actually an if else block, and it says you can only use a if. It's not necessary to actually use an if else. So I take if, and touching player, say avoid the patrolling enemies. Okay, so I'm going to touch that sign. Okay, I go to that sign, avoid the patrolling enemies, so it still works. And second thing, I would go to that chest. So as I told, room equal 3, then show. Okay, I think you guys understood that. It says whenever you touch the player, it will start trumpet sound. As I don't know if you heard, but it will start the trumpet sound and say well done, and it will stop the whole game, like stop all. And then you go to this person which is roaming around, the pink person. So when, if touching player, then say, did you know that you can go through orange and yellow road? Place on pop until done. Really, I don't like that pop sound because it's actually making a lot of noise. I didn't know that. And else, don't need to you can just put, don't need to put the say block. You can just put move one step, move one step if on edge bounce. So I mean, like, see, if I go, wait, something's wrong. Okay, now it's okay, now it's working. So as you can see, if I put this blue guy to the player who's playing to the boundary will bounce back. That is if on edge bounce. So that is that. And the enemy, you know that, right? So it actually tries to catch the person, and like that. And coins, I think you also know that it just like makes sounds, fairy dust, and stop other scripts and sprite and stuff. I don't know what does that mean, just stop other script and sprite. But it actually means something. And this key, blue color key, uh, you must know. Let me just cheat and go there. And if I touch the key, it will open that. So it is like touching player, change coins by 3, and add blue key to inventory. So I also have a list called inventory. I think you guys have seen why I was showing this two variables. This inventory, so you can add anything to the inventory, and you can delete everything of inventory, and delete whatever you need to delete of inventory. And so it add the blue key to inventory, stop other scripts and sprite, and hide. Okay, and this door sign is also the same thing. And this blue door is when play key pressed, wait 1 second, wait until inventory contains the blue key. So only if the inventory has the blue key inside, then only it can open. So like starts on laser and stop at description sprite hide. So it hides and I can go through it. Okay, so guys, I think this is it for the video. Subscribe and like, and bye everyone.